Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for dry fruits business. So here our objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my dry fruit business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, I need to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how I can instantly keep records of all my Facebook leads for my dry fruit business in Google Sheets. So this is my Facebook page for my dry fruit business and it is named as Tara Dry Fruits Company. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet and I want to keep records of all my leads that I'm getting through my Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my dry fruit business, then instantly I want to add these lead details in my Google Sheet. So for that, I need to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. So for creating this integration, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for dry fruit business. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I will select home here and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this and I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. Now I have to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. And now I have to click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two tabs here. First is of page, second one is of lead gen form. Now I have to map these two details. And for this, I will go to Facebook first. So this is my page and it is named as Tara Dry Fruit Company. And for the lead generation form, I will open this menu. And I will go to Meta Business Suite. And in this, I will go to All Tools. And in All Tools, I'm going to find this Instant Forms. So I'm going to open this. And in Instant Form, I can see I have this one lead generation form, which is named as Lead Form for Dry Fruit Business. So I'm going to open this. And this is my form. And we have these three details here, full name, email, and the phone number. So with this, I will get the details of my lead. So this is my form. I'm going to close this and I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Now for selecting the page, you need to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. And here I'm going to use this Tara Dry Fruit Company page. So I'm going to select this. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to open this tab and you will find all the lead generation form that are added in your Facebook page. So I'm going to select this lead form for dry fruit business page form. So I'm going to select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to make a sample submission and I need to create a lead. And I have to make sure that my lead generation form is live before making this sample submission. And for making this sample submission, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So I'm going to go to Meta for Developer. And in this, I will go to More. And I'm going to select this Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to find this Lead Ads R2 Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here we have this two details, page and the form. So my page is Terra Dry Fruit Company and my form is lead form for dry fruit business. And now what I need to do is I need to create a lead, and for that I'm going to click here on preview form button. So this is my form, and here I'm going to fill all these details. So my full name will be new user, my email will be newuser@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number I'm going to give a random phone number. So this is going to be my phone number. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. And here I have created this new lead and I have submitted this form. Now I will go to Pabbly Connect. And here we have received this new response. So the full name is new user, email is newuser@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random phone number. Now we have these lead details and we want to add these lead details automatically in our Google Sheet. So for that, I will set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, I'm going to search for my action application, which is Google Sheet. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event. And I have to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And I will sign in with Google. Now I'm going to click on Allow to give access to my account. And my connection is successful. Here I have these details and I'm going to fill all these details to add the details of my lead in my Google Sheet. So for that, I need to select my spreadsheet first. And for this, I'll go to Google Sheet. And this is my Google Sheet. And in this, we are using this spreadsheet, which is named as Facebook Leads. And we are using Sheet 1 here. And we have these three columns, full name, email, and the phone number. So we need to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I'm going to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the spreadsheets that are connected with your Google Sheet account. So I'm going to use this Facebook Leads spreadsheet. So I'm going to select this, and here we can see that all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now we have these three details. So these are the same details of the columns that I have in my Google Sheet. So I'm going to fill all these details here. So first I have to give the full name. So for this, so here I'm going to map these details and I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads. And in this response, I have the full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I will map the email address. Now the phone number. So I have mapped all my required details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this response. So this is a positive response, and with this response, I have updated my rows in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go back to Google Sheet. And here we can see I have added this new row in my Google Sheet. So the full name is new user, email is newuser@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random phone number. So I have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet, and these are the same details that I have created as a new lead in my Facebook lead ad account. And these are the lead details of my new lead that I have created for my dry fruit business. So I'm adding the details of the Facebook leads that I'm getting for my dry fruit business instantly in my Google Sheet. Now to check this in real time, I will go to Meta for Developer. I will close this. I'm going to delete this lead. And I'm going to preview this form again. And I'm going to fill these details one more time. So my full name will be test user, email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I will give a random phone number. So this will be my random phone number. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have created this new lead. Now we'll go back to Google Sheet, and instantly we can see that I have added this new row. So the full name is test user, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random phone number. So I'm adding the details instantly in my Google Sheet for the new Facebook lead that I'm getting for my dry fruit business. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have successfully created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet in such a way that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my dry fruit business in Facebook lead ads, then I'm adding the details of that lead automatically in my Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. Now I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.